10 easy online business ideas to start today. In this video, we'll explore 10 exciting online business opportunities that you can try, even if you're just starting out. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or looking to expand your online ventures, these ideas are simple and doable. Let's get started. Number 1. Online shop. Have you ever wanted to sell things online? You can create your own online store. You could sell things you love, unique items, or things from suppliers. Number 2. Talk about products. If you're good at talking about and recommending products, try affiliate marketing. You can partner with companies, tell people about their stuff on your website or social media, and earn money when people buy those things. Number 3. Write a blog. If you really like something, you can start a blog about it. Share what you know, your experiences, and what you think. You can make money from your blog through ads, writing about sponsored stuff, or recommending things that you like. Number 4. Teach online. Are you really good at something? Make online courses and sell them on websites like Udemy or Teachable. You get to teach others and make money at the same time. Number 5. Do freelance work. If you have skills like writing, drawing, making websites, or anything else, you can freelance. Go to websites like Upwork or Fiverr to find people who need your help. Number 6. Manage social media. Some businesses need help with their social media. If you know how to use Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram well, you can help them and get paid for it. Number 7. Make videos on YouTube. If you like making videos, start a YouTube channel. You can share what you like, show how to do things, or just talk about your day. You can make money from ads, sponsored videos, and selling your stuff. Number 8. Start a podcast. Lots of people love podcasts these days. Find a topic you like, make interesting audio shows, and make money from ads or people who like what you do. Number 9. Create an app. If you know how to make computer or phone apps, give it a try. You can make an app for almost anything. If it's good, lots of people might use it, and you can make money from it. Number 10. Be a virtual helper. Some small businesses and busy people need help with their work. You can be a virtual helper. You work from home and help them with things like answering emails or organizing stuff. Conclusion. So, those are our top 10 easy online business ideas. Remember, you need to work hard and give value to your customers or audience to succeed. Choose the one that sounds most interesting to you and start your online business adventure today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new online business.